Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add early reviews on Shopify. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Shopify account, and after that you have to move to your home page. So now we have to move to App Store. So simply just here you can see the search option, just click here, and now here click on apps, and after that here you can see apps and sales channel setting, and here you can see recommended apps. So simply click here. Now we don't find AliExpress review importer here, so simply just we will go to Shopify App Store. So just click on Shopify App Store. You can simply go to Shopify App Store by just apps.shopify.com. So you can directly move to this page. So now here type the early reviews importer, like I have typed this. So just search for early reviews importer. So just type the name here and search for it. So now here you can see the our views imported and early views imported. Simply we will search for the relevant importer. So just click on judge.me product review. So simply just click here, and after that here you can see judge.me. So simply just go to this application, and after that here you can see judge.me AliExpress reviews. So simply just click here, and after that here click on add app. So now wait for a few seconds, our app is being installed. So now here you have to click on install app, and after that when you successfully installed app, so here you can see choose an account. So simply just select your account here. So finally here you can see our app is installed. Now click on next. So here you can see import AliExpress reviews button. So simply just click here, and now go to AliExpress, and simply move to website, and after that when you move here simply just select any product here, like I have select this beauty product, and in this category just randomly add the product here. So now here you can see we have opened this. So just copy the product URL, and now go back to Shopify and simply paste the product code here. Import to your Shopify product required. So simply just type the product name here. So like I have typed the same name here, like for this beauty product, or simply you can type the name that you want to add here. So in the next here you can see numbers of reviews to import, and here you can see rating filter, specific rating or minimum rating. So here you can see country filters like all, USA, Canada, UK. So all the options are available here. So now here you can see review must have content, review must have pictures. So just simply select this minimum amount of words, so you can change this. So now here you can see save settings as new default import settings. Now after that click on import reviews. So in this way you can see you can import reviews from aliexpress.com. So after that select any other product, and just copy the same URL, and now go back, click here, just paste the URL here, type the name, number of reviews to import, and simply select the country and click on import reviews. So now in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your account, and after that install this app and simply import the reviews. So here you can change the port settings, here you can see the products, and here you can check the reviews, and here even you can export the reviews. So in this way you can add a review on Shopify.